My dear children, welcome to the EVS online class. I hope you all are staying safe and healthy at home. We have completed our 6th lesson. Did you study that lesson? Yes, I know you all are good students and will study well. Today, let's start a new lesson. Lesson 7, Animal Life. Before starting, let's do one simple activity in your textbook. Open your textbook, page number 49.
Here you can see the names of different animals and 3 boxes are there: herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. Do you remember the terms herbivores, carnivores and omnivores? What are herbivores? Yes, animals that eat only plants are called herbivores. Carnivores are animals that eat the flesh of other animals. And omnivores are animals that eat both plants and animals. So here which all animals come under herbivores? Elephant, horses, sheep and giraffe are herbivores. Then under carnivores you can write eagle, snakes, crocodile and frog. Then omnivores are ducks, sparrows, bear and dog.
There are millions of different kinds of animals that live all over the world. They can be seen on highest mountains, hot deserts, cold polar regions, in the deepest oceans, and even in our homes. The surroundings in which a living thing lives and survives is called its habitat. An animal can live only in its habitat. For example, a fish can live only in water. They cannot live on land. Similarly, a camel lives in desert. They cannot live on cold mountains. So these animals have certain special features on their body that help them to live in its habitat. So what is habitat? The surroundings in which a living thing lives and survive is called its habitat. And animals have different features on their body that help them to survive in their habitat. Different animals have different body coverings that help them to protect their body. For example, animals like turtles, tortoises, snakes and lizards are called reptiles. Reptiles have hard leathery scales on their body for protection. Some reptiles like turtles and tortoises have shells on their body. Also snails have shells on their body. Fishes have scales on their body for protection. Fishes have thin scales while reptiles have hard leathery scales. Then in the case of birds, what are the body coverings of birds? Yes, birds have feathers for protection to keep them warm, and it also helps them to fly. Then mammals. Mammals have hairs on their body to keep them warm. Polar bear have thick coat of fur on their body to keep them warm. Fur means small hairs. So these are the different body coverings in different animals. Reptiles have scales on their body. They have hard leathery scales. Fishes also have scales. They have thin scales. Snails have shells. Turtles and tortoises also have shells on their body. Birds have feathers. Mammals have hairs. Polar bear is also mammal. They have fur on their body to keep them warm. Now let's discuss about the eating habits of animals. Different animals eat different kinds of food to stay alive. So their mouth parts are adapted to the kind of food they eat. Depending upon the kind of food they eat, different animals have different kinds of mouth parts. We studied animals are of 3 types based on the food they eat. Which are they? Yes, herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. Herbivores are animals that eat only plants. Example, cow, goat, sheep, horses, etc. are examples. They have sharp front teeth to cut or bite the plant and flat and large back teeth to grind the food. Now the second type is carnivores. What are carnivores? Yes, animals that eat the flesh of other animals are called carnivores. Example, lion, tiger, frog, snake, eagle, owl, etc. Lions and tigers have sharp pointed front teeth to tear the flesh and strong back teeth to chew the meat and bones. Eagles and owls are carnivorous birds. They have strong claws to catch small animals like rats and also sharp hooked beaks to tear the flesh. Then frogs and lizards. Have you seen a frog or lizard catching its prey? Yes, they have long sticky tongue to catch the prey. Snakes are also carnivores. They do not chew their food. Instead, they swallow its prey. They have hundreds of backward facing teeth that help them to swallow its prey. Also, they have a detachable jaw which is larger than their mouth that helps them to swallow its food.
Detachable means able to be removed or separated. In snakes, the jaws cannot be separated, but the jaw bones are loosely connected. The lower jaw are not fused as in human jaw, but they are connected by an elasticated ligament so that they can open their jaws very wide and swallow the prey easily.
Now the last type is omnivores. What are omnivores? Yes, animals that eat both plants and animals are called omnivores. Example, human beings, crow, peacock, bear, orangutan, etc. are omnivores. They have different types of teeth to eat both plant and animal food. So today we have discussed about the different body coverings in different animals, different eating habits of animals and the different types of mouth parts. Hope you all have understood the topic. Read textbook page number 49, 50, 51. From notebook, study question number 1, 2, 3 from fill in the blanks. Question number 1 and 2 from name the following. And question number 1 from answer the following. I have attached the notes of this lesson along with this video. Write down the notes neatly in your notebook. A YouTube URL is also attached. Watch the video. A test paper is attached. Do the test and submit it. So let's meet in the next class with a new topic. Thank you.